Multifunctional intelligent toilet. The white glazed surface of the ceramic is exquisite and beautiful. It features a super cool and colorful running light. Let darkness no longer be boring. Nightlight function brings peace of mind to family members. Auto open or close cover radar sensor. Soft closing cover or seat. Power off flush. Hygiene antibacterial glazing and anti-stick coating ceramic. Pre-moisture after seated. Side control knob. Nozzle self-cleaning. Rear wash. Press it again for automatic washing. Lady wash. Mobile cleaning. Adjustable water temp. Adjustable warm air temp. Auto flushing. The flush noise is low.